Hello, today we are going to be working on a 2024 Mazda CX-30. Very simple. Unlike most vehicles, we are going to be using this screen here. So we have to start the car. Once you start it, we are going to go to the home, push the home button, then look for the information menu, select it, vehicle status monitor. We have to scroll all the way now to vehicle maintenance settings, push OK, go down again to reset oil, change the distance, push OK. It will ask you if you want to reset it. We say yes, and that's it. Your oil change distance has been reset. Please like and subscribe the channel. If you have suggestions or questions, please leave it on the comments. Thank you. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day.